Hair.
Sheep? What does a sheep say?
Cow.
Cow? What does a cow say?
Hair.
Well, horse. What does a horse say? What's that?
Hen.
Rooster?
Um.
Barn.
Yeah.
What does a duck say?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's that?
Pig.
What does a piggy say? Good job. Want to do more puzzles? Which one do you want to do? You want to do the cars? Want to do this one?
Yeah.
You want to do this one? Okay.
Out.
I got it out. You want to take it? Whoa. What's that?
Hair.
Crab. What color is he?
Hair.
No, he's red. Purple is your favorite color. What's that?
Red.
What is it?
Red.
Well, what color is he?
Purple.
Purple. Very good. Look at him. Gotta turn him around. There you go. There you go.
Apple.
Octopus. Yeah. Where's his eyes? Can you match up his eyes? There you go.
Hair.
What is that?
Hair.
A seahorse? Yeah. There you go.
Hair.
Star. That one's tricky. The star is tricky. There you go. Good job.
Yeah.
Dolphin.
Ha.
Shark. Yep.
Red.
What color is he?
Purple.
He's blue.
Blue.
Yeah, you did it.
Blue.
You gonna read books now?
Off.
You want mommy to get off?